How to sell crypto from cold wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can sell crypto from cold wallet. So in order to sell crypto from cold wallet, now cold wallet, also known as a hardware wallet, is a secure offline device used to store cryptocurrencies. Now when you want to sell your cryptocurrency, you would typically transfer them from your cold wallet to a compatible online exchange platform. From there you can sell them for your desired currency as well. So all you need to do is just follow the on-screen prompt when you actually do this. So the interface will remain the same, such as you have to verify your account, and once you're done verifying it, then you can just go ahead and copy and paste in the wallet address, enter in the exact amount, and you also need to type in all sort of details, and then you'll be able to sell crypto from cold wallet. So that is how you can sell crypto from cold wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.